Very good morning to all of you. Now I am going to take mock interview of Nawjot. She is from Punjab, but currently she is staying in Telangana. Okay, and just try to listen the mock interview of Central Bank of India. My number is 7503235358. Okay, language is not a barrier, but this interview is in English. If she is in some question or situational question, if she is not comfortable in English, then we will go to Hindi. Okay, start from may I come in, sir?
May I come in, sir?
Yes, please come.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, very good morning. Please have a seat, Nawjot.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, briefly introduce yourself.
Sir, as you have mentioned, my name is Navjot Benz. I'm from Punjab. Currently, I'm staying with my family in Telangana. I've completed my major part of the schooling in Telangana itself, and I'm graduated in BHMS, that is Bachelor's of Homeopathic Medical Science, that I've done from New Delhi. And in my family, my dad is ex-serviceman, and my mother, she's a homemaker. And my brother, I have one sibling who he's elder to me, and he's in army as well. And my hobbies are cooking, and sometimes, like, really I write sonnets also.
Okay,
Thank you.
means your father is in army, so you moved to Telangana and completed your study in Delhi, and you are from Punjab. Apart from Telangana, with your dad, you are moved anywhere in India?
No, sir.
Okay, you guys stay in Telangana itself. At which place?
Sorry, sir.
At which place in Telangana?
Yapral.
Yapral,
It's in Chandrabad.
Sikandrabad.
Yes, sir.
Okay, who is currently the CM and Governor of Punjab?
Punjab, sir. CM is
Bhagwat.
Bhagwat Singh, and the governor is Gulab Kataria Singh.
गुलाब चंद कटारिया. नाम के आगे श्रीमान श्रीमती लगाएंगे. भगवत
Yes,
मान सिंह. Who is the CM of Delhi? She recently.
Srimati Rekha Gupta.
And who is the CM of your Telangana state?
Sir Revant Reddy.
As you guys are from Punjab, what is your experience in, because you are coming in the banking sector and you will meet with the different types of customers. If we will posted you in Central Bank of India in Northern Zone, Southern Zone, or anywhere India, it's a very good opportunity for you. So first of all, tell me, what is your experience staying in Telangana?
Sir, it's very pleasant experience. I get to learn more of our Indian culture, not just restricting myself to just one culture of India. As our country is diverse, so I got this opportunity to explore the diversity of our Indian culture, and actually food is very good of South Indian. So yeah. It was very. It's a pleasant experience.
In which year you have completed your homeopathy?
Sir, in 2021, I completed my homeopathy, but for 1 year I was doing my internship in Delhi itself. So it was around to 2022.
Then why you are coming in the banking sector? It's a totally different. Why you are not moving in your own field, homeopathic doctor related field or BHMS or something, whichever you have did. Why you are? It's a totally out of track.
Yes, sir. It is a totally out of track, but as banking, it gives opportunity to all the sectors. Despite if you are having finance knowledge or not, they give opportunity to every field. And plus, it's like I have a keen interest in banking field. Like since in my 10th, I was very good with maths, and I had a keen interest with financial sectors, like dealing with money matters and. Plus, sir, after completing my homeopathy, when I went back to my home for preparing for my MD, during that time, sir, my mother, unfortunately, we got to know that she is a cervical patient, cancer patient. So, and then I was all dedicated to my mother. For 1 year, I was with her.
You also add this, sir. Banking provides a job with a different field graduate, either engineer or BA or somebody has completed ours. Okay, so I find this opportunity, and whichever you are saying. Okay, so tell me something about Central Bank of India.
So Central Bank of India was established on 21st December 1911 by Sir Sorabji Pochkhanawala. It is the first Swadeshi Bank of India, which is run by Indian itself, and even the capital invested was by Indians. And Central Bank of India is
Tagline, headquarter and chairman, if you remember.
The tagline of Central Bank is central to you since 1911, and its headquarters is in Mumbai. And the logo of the Central Bank of India is the four squares, which represents man, finance, nation, and industry.
Okay. As I'm moving forward to the banking question and current affairs and situation based question, I'm asking some of the question from your own field. Explain what are 3 levels of homeopathy therapy.
Sir, the first is treating the patient by the acute cases.
We will start with the first aid, na? First aid, then acute homeopathy, then constitutional homeopathy.
Yes, so the first aid is eliminating the things that triggers the patient's health conditions. Like if person is in very severe cold conditions, so that person will get cold. That's the tendency of the human body.
Okay,
so
difference between acute homeopathy and constitutional homeopathy.
Sir, acute homeopathy is treating the normal symptoms that patient occurs with, and it's the patient is suffering within a week, or the time period of the disease occurrence is just within a week. And in constitutional homeopathy,
who is the father of homeopathy? Okay, firstly complete constitutional homeopathy.
So constitutional homeopathy, it treats both acute and the chronic cases itself.
Mm-hmm.
But in constitutional homeopathy, it's the essence of the homeopathy, in which individualization is seen, in which every patient is treated as a different person, because every person is itself a different identity it holds. So in constitutional homeopathy, we not just see the physical symptoms, but we even see the psychology of the patient that the patient is having. And during that, we make a thorough case taking, and
Okay.
with that with this, and this helps me in even finance also, sir, in banking sector as a credit officer.
How do you correlate your firstly tell me the answer. Who is the father of homeopathy?
Sir, Dr. Samuel Hahnemann.
He is from?
He's from German. He's a German physician.
In which BC maybe it was started?
Homeopathy.
Yeah.
It was started in 19th century, around 1794.
Okay. How do you indirectly, there is no direct relation, how this knowledge will indirectly help you in the banking job?
Sir, as during my this graduation field and my internship, it has made me very capable in communication. I have great communication skills. I can communicate to every level of the person, not just with the certain particular areas of people, but with every, because in during my internship I was able to reach out to the people of rural area to the urban area itself. So I have a great communication skill, plus the analytical skills that I pursue in this, like analyzing the case studies and thorough diagnosis of a patient, which will help me in documentations of in credit officer itself, and decision making, seeing the patient's history, evaluating the disease and the cause and the concerns, and then providing a suitable treatment. This will help me by, yes sir.
This will help you in?
This will help me in credit analysis, which I can see the patient's, the customer's credit worthiness, and then providing suitable loan to that person, and help me in decision making.
Explain, does the homeopath give the same white pills for all illness or patient?
Sir, white pills is just a vehicle that is given. The actual medicine is the liquid that is being used.
Okay.
The liquid is prepared from the dried leaves or from the animal's extract.
In the same question, I am asking you the that white leads is the vehicle. So if somebody is not giving that white pills, they are giving direct the drops. What is the reason behind that?
Sir, with the drops, the efficiency and efficacy of the medicine increases. And plus, there are certain people who are not suitable to the. No, it's not about suitability, but yes,
Okay.
some diabetic patients, they don't prefer taking the.
You are having bank account?
Yes, sir.
In which bank?
In SBI.
SBI. YONO stand for?
Sir?
YONO stand for?
YONO stands for
You only need one.
you only need one.
Who is the chairman of SBI and headquarter?
Sir, SBI headquarters is in Mumbai, and
Chairman is CS Setty.
says.
Who is the RBI governor currently?
RBI governor is Sanjay Malhotra.
Mr. Sanjay Malhotra. Put the
Mr. Sanjay
salutation.
Malhotra. Yes, sir. Sorry.
Okay. Recently मोदी जी visited अभी currently वो वहीं पे हैं. Recently मोदी जी is in the BRICS summit. At which place?
Yes, Brazil, Rio de Janeiro.
Brazil, Rio de Janeiro. Okay. Tell me something about CRR. What is cash reserve ratio?
So, cash reserve ratio is the ratio provided by RBI for banks to keep certain cash in reserve with the RBI in the time of emergency, so that the RBI could provide those cash to the banks.
What is Sukanya Samriddhi scheme?
So Sukanya Samriddhi scheme is it's for the welfare scheme. It's a welfare scheme for Beti Padhao Beti Bachao. In this, the person has to pay a money like 250 to 1,000, 1 lakh to 50,000 during a year to keep the bank running, and its a maturity period is till the girl child reaches the age of 21 years. Plus, this scheme is for the girls who are below the age of 10 years, and in a household only 2 girls could avail this opportunity.
Okay.
And
You are having a check also on your SBI bank account? Check
Yes,
facility
sir.
is there?
yes, sir.
If there are two parallel lines for left hand upper side, what
Yes,
is
sir.
it? What is it mean?
So, this represents the security of the check.
No,
Such,
this is account pay. This is account pay, na?
account pay. Yeah, it
Yeah,
pays
two parallel
directly.
lines means cross check. Cross check is account pay check. The straight away that amount is deposited in your account, not in
Yeah.
hand.
Yes, sir.
Okay, as you are from homeopathy field or you are going to do PGDBF in Central Bank of India, there are financial terms, banking terms, again classes module and all. So how will you adjust on it?
Sir, during my preparation, I have been thorough with the maximum number of banking terms, and plus this PGDF course will give me a opportunity to learn more about finance, not just working on field, but it will give me elaborate studies of the concerned matters, and plus, sir, I have a keen interest, as I mentioned you before. I have a keen interest, so I am aware of maximum of the terms. So this will my back knowledge and my keen interest to this, and this would help me through this, and this won't be a burden to me.
Okay, okay, Najud. Najud, as we all know that in banking industry nowadays digital banking is promoted by the employees of bank also, by the government also. But at the same time, we have to aware them about the digital fraud. So first of all, you have to promote the digital banking in a seminar. Okay, in a rural seminar, rural people are there, and then how to aware with the digital banking. Okay.
Yes, sir. So digital banking is very beneficial for the banking sector because it decreases the liability of ATMs and for the banking to manage. So this is very crucial for it. So spreading its awareness is also very important because of the rural areas are not able to reach out to these services. So to aware them, I'll first contact to the sarpanch of the state of the particular area, and to the ASHA workers, because ASHA workers are the most active.
Okay, ASA stand for Accredited Social Health
Social
Activist.
Service. Yes, sir.
ओके सिचुएशन क्वेश्चन सुनना है और उसको आंसर देना है, मतलब पॉइंट जो अब अगर वो बीच में इंटरप्ट करे तो रुकना है, अप टू द पॉइंट बोलना है. ओके
Yes, sir.
तकरीबन 14 मिनट हुआ है ना. ओके, व्हाट इज योर हॉबी?
So my hobby is cooking, and sometimes I write sonnet. Sonnet is a part of poem.
Poem is a part of poem.
Yeah, it helps me
रिसाइट
to
भी
cope
करते हो,
with
उसको
my-
बोलते भी हो या बस ओनली राइटिंग?
Sir, I just write just when I get very anxious. about
बेस्ट अगर
it,
कुछ
or-
हो, अगर कोई बेस्ट जो यू हैव टू, अगर मुझे कुछ एक दो लाइन आप बताना चाहो, बिकॉज इफ दे विल आस्क इन द पैनल
Yes, sir.
इन 1 or 2 लाइन.
So, like, aspirations are like shining stars, path full of bars, but their light are darkest and longest nights.
ओके
So
ओके.
This is one, and there are many more also.
Last
If you want-
question. There are so many candidates, but why we will select you?
Sir, as I have a great communication skill, I can communicate with the, like, we have a PSL, priority sector lendings. So that we need to interact with MSMEs who are not that educated, particularly and agriculture field, which are not. I have that communication skill. I can relate to them. I could help them understand a better schemes of this and their benefits. Plus, sir, I have a great analytical skills which I've developed throughout my graduation, and a great decision making which
Okay.
I will be using in this
Okay.
banking field.
Guys, now I'm going to give feedback. Okay, if you are interested for the mock interview in English and Hindi language, my number is 7503235358. Currently, Central Bank of India, PNB and IDBI mocks are going on. All the best for upcoming interviews.